You join me here at Kiel's EV charging hub. Thinking about ways in which we can live more sustainably is central both to Kiel and to the teaching and research we have within geography, geology, and the environment. So if we think about transportation, for example, how we travel, transportation is estimated to be associated with the release of 8 gigatons of carbon dioxide every year, or 8 billion tons of carbon dioxide. That's roughly 25% of the total emissions associated with human activity. And of those 8 gigatons, 75% is associated with road transport. So what are the ways that we can consider how to reduce our environmental impact associated with travel is looking at the mass transition of transportation away from combustion engine vehicles and away from combustion engines more generally to the mass electrification of transport. That has the potential both to reduce the amount of atmospheric pollution related to transport, but also to substantially reduce the carbon emissions associated with transport. And if we think about electric vehicles, on average, a transition to a full electric vehicle is estimated to be associated with a carbon saving of around 2 tons of carbon every year. It's the connections between electric vehicles and renewable energy generation which are really exciting as we look forward to the future. And this is a particular area of interest in terms of the research that we're doing within GGE. So that can involve both the rolling out of the charging infrastructure that's required to enable this transfer to electric vehicles. It can involve the use of locally generated renewable energy to maximize the carbon savings, which we have here at Kiel with the Low Carbon Energy Project. And it can also involve the use of the batteries that we have within electric vehicles to help us to balance supply and demand.